The renowned broadcaster and author Chris Packham is here at the Milner Center for Evolution today, and he's talking to some of our researchers about the work that they do. He's also going to be giving a free public lecture this evening, which we are really looking forward to. Chris Packham is one of the country's best-loved science communicators, and he's actually filming a documentary series on evolution at the moment. Now, he's a really staunch supporter of biodiversity and conservation, so he's a really good fit for the Milner Center. He's got synergies with the work that we're doing here. The Milner Center for Evolution was set up with three main aims, and one of those aims is about increasing the public understanding of evolution. So events like Chris's talk tonight are a really important part of that. I'm hoping that people go away from Chris's talk enthused and having learned a little bit more about evolution, and I'm really looking forward to putting on more events like this.